And now come along, dear. Say goodbye to the nice kitties. Goodbye now.
Ciao.
Aw, what a nice granny.
The nicest.
Help! Help! Someone just stole my jeweled collar!
It's Mr. Puppy Paws. Hi there.
SuperKitties, why are you just standing there? Stop that thief!
Let's get out of here.
Hold it right there, Cat Burglar and Granny. Granny Caterina, were you up there stealing Mr. Puppy Paw's collar?
Yes, I was. And I would have gotten away with it, too, if it wasn't for my paw, boo-boo.
Granny Caterina? Stealing? I did not see this coming.
Granny Caterina, we did not see this coming.
Stealing kind of runs in the family.
Sorry.
Here you go, Mr. Puppy Paws.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but... thank you, SuperKitties!
You're welcome. Giving back the collar is a start, but you've got to return everything you've taken. And that means all these cat trees.
No.
All right. And there.
My cat tree!
I'm sorry I took your cat tree.
Only 76 more cat trees to go. Cat Burglar made a lot of kitties sad when he took their cat trees to help his granny get away with stealing. It's never okay to steal.
Cat tree, we have a lot of napping to catch up on.
And I'm taking that to heart.